Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video I'll be making another closure wig and I'll be using a sewing machine. So right here I'm adjusting the wig cap in order for it to fit the head. So this is a 22 inches canvas head and is a medium size. So I just adjusted the extra materials in order for the cap to fit properly. If you want a detailed video on how to adjust your wig cap, I already have that video on my channel. I'll link it down below.
Say I don't mind what you do, you will always be my boo. Yeah, yeah. Say I don't mind what they say, we can make it if we try. Yeah, 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 yeah. The way you moving that body.
So after adjusting the cap, I'm going to place the closure on the wig cap and I'll use some pins to secure it down, making sure that the closure is laying flat on the cap before sewing it down. So for this process you will need enough pins to pin it down, but if you don't have pins, just try as much as possible to make sure that the closure is flat. That way when you put on your wig it will not be looking funny or loose. So right now I'm going to sew it down using my needle and thread. When sewing down the closure, I like to start from one side and I'll sew it halfway to the back, and then I'll continue from the other side and sew it to meet up with the first one, if that makes sense. I believe by watching this video you already understand what I'm doing. This helps to make the closure really flat. That's where your wig will be glued.
I'm ready now. Oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I'm going to oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I'm going to oh yeah, baby, come on, sorry, I'm going to oh yeah, baby, come on.
After sewing down the closure, I went ahead and used my hot comb to lay the back of the closure down. That way when I'm sewing on my sewing machine there will be no hairs disturbing me, because that can be really frustrating, trust me. So right after that I went ahead and drew my guidelines, and you can use a measuring tape to draw 1 inch. I no longer use measuring tape, so this is me just eyeballing 1 inch. Okay. So for this wig I'll be using 4 bundles of 24 inches. I bleached the hair and colored it as well. So this is our raw Indonesian hair, and I'm making this wig for a client. And first things first, I'm going to double the tracks, and for this I'm using a zigzag stitch. So I use a zigzag stitch for doubling the tracks and also sewing it down on the wig cap, and I use a straight stitch when sewing the elastic band to my wig cap, if that makes sense.
Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one, them I step in on me yard, them I enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Oh, no. Man, I tell him.
So right now I'm just going to follow the guidelines and sew this down using a zigzag stitch like I said before. So I'm just doing back and forth, you know, to secure the ends of the hair. That way there'll be no shedding. Like, you guys, you really need to secure the ends to avoid the weft from shedding too much, because if you don't secure it, trust me, the ends of the hair will shed badly. So I'll just repeat the same process till I get to the very last line.
One time me nah never. Them my girls, them a coming over. Bad man, me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh, ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See these girls, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See these girls, them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me nah run digger. One nigga say really one nigga.
Now me rather see. Hey, his body, baby, oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this. She already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this. She already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh. You a murder me, eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you whine, I want you to be my so make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh. You a murder me, eh. You a murder me.
So guys, this is what the end result looks like. You can see how flat that track looks against the closure, and that's basically it. So I went ahead and cut off the excess cap underneath the lace and attached my elastic band.
Gently, me loving it, she giving me steadily, moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girl, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a you make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey. Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me.
Here's what the inside of the cap looks like. How did I forget to mention? So that's my elastic band. Everything is in place, stretchy, durable. I went ahead and coiled this hair in a separate video. That way this video would not be too long for you.
Gently, me loving it, she giving me steadily, moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girl, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a you make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey. Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Good figure, can hold liquor, likes jigger, can mess with her. One nigga, run with her. She's a lot,
them digger. No man fi waste your time. Say, no man fi catch your vibe. No, them man can get